The deepest cave ever explored by humans descends 2,212 meters into the earth. That is Veryovkina Cave in Georgia, a place where the pressure, the darkness, and the silence combine into something that feels less like geology and more like a warning. Explorers who have reached the bottom describe a specific documented psychological effect: the complete absence of any sound from the surface world. Not quiet, absent. But the caves themselves are not empty. In 1986, divers discovered a flooded cave system beneath Romania's Movile Cave that had been sealed from the outside world for an estimated 5.5 million years. Inside, researchers found 33 species that exist nowhere else on Earth. Pale, eyeless, and feeding on chemosynthetic bacteria rather than sunlight. Life thriving in total isolation in conditions we once called uninhabitable. A reminder that the Creator's design for life exceeds every boundary we thought was fixed. And yet the darkness holds stranger things still. In Lechuguilla Cave, New Mexico, scientists discovered bacteria living inside the rock walls itself. Not beside the rock, inside it, surviving on sulfur compounds, completely disconnected from the surface biosphere. These organisms have never been exposed to modern antibiotics, and yet they carry resistance to them. No one fully understands why. Deep in the cave systems of Mexico sits the Cave of Crystals, a chamber where selenite columns, some 11 meters tall and weighing 55 tons, grew in total darkness over 500,000 years. The air temperature inside reaches 58 degrees Celsius. Unprotected, a human loses consciousness in under 15 minutes. Perhaps the most unsettling documented fact: in the Son Doong cave in Vietnam, large enough to contain a Manhattan city block, researchers discovered an entirely isolated jungle growing inside it, with its own localized weather system, including clouds. A world beneath the world, sealed, ancient, and alive in ways we are still learning to measure. What else is down there, in passages no light has ever reached, that we have not yet found the courage to enter?